Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be discussing how you can fix Valorant not opening and launching issue. So majority of the time when you maybe update your Windows, or maybe sometime you just use another device for gaming, or you get a new laptop or something like that, and you install Valorant and it is working fine, but after a couple of time, maybe when a patch is released by Riot, the game is suddenly stopped working, and stuff like that occasionally happens, and it happens to me a lot of time, and it's so bad. So to fix it, I'm going to be showing you there are a couple of methods and tips and tricks that you can apply to simply maybe check that what works out for you. So first of all, what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be checking your resolution. Now obviously your game is not running, so you cannot check the resolution inside the game, but what you can do is simply right click, and here you will have this option of display settings, so you can simply click on that. And wait a minute. So yeah, so basically from here you can simply first of all, if you are using dual monitors, you can simply check if that is working perfectly, and then you're going to be right clicking and simply head over to your more options, and from there to personalize. Okay, so once you check that your monitors are working perfectly, you can simply scroll a little bit down, and here you'll be able to see that you have currently your color profile and your monitors. So you can see if you drop down this, you have your monitors in here. Also you have this HDR option. So below you can see we have this display resolution, so make sure that it is set according to your monitor and the max it is supported. So here, as you can see, it is set to recommended, and that's how it should be, and you should be set it up to recommended. If you have your secondary monitor and it have a another display or resolution, you can set it according to as well. So once it is set, what you need to do is simply check if your game is working. So double click on your game and see if it is working. If not, your second option or second tip could be used. What you can do is simply head over to your settings. So in settings, you're going to be simply searching for virus and threat protection. So you can see virus and threat protection. Simply open that. Now once it is open, you're going to be simply have to do a quick scan. Once you do that, scroll a little bit down and head over to manage settings, and from here you can simply turn off real-time protection. So some of the time it could be happen that some viruses or some files are not being allowed by your computer to be used by Riot, or maybe it is detected as virus and it is just creating a problem. So that could be an issue as well. So let's say if that doesn't work out, you can simply head over to your search bar and search in there for services. So once you type in here in the search bar for services, you will see something like this open up. Simply press V on your keyboard and you can see this VGC. So let me show you that as well. So you can see you have this VGC, and simply double click on that and it should be set up to automatic. So sometime it is switched off. So you can see the service name is VGC, and VGC is display name as well. So make sure that it is set to automatic because it needed to be turned on to play the game. So that is another process. Make sure it is not set to disabled or manual or something. It should be on automatic. Simply click on OK once you set that, and check if your game is working. If it is not working, simply right click on your game and head over to open file location. And once your file location is on, you can see we have Riot client services.exe. Right click on that, simply head over to properties and head over to compatibility. So you can see first you can simply run the compatibility troubleshooter, and after that, if it is not fixed, you can simply run it in the compatibility mode. So you can see currently it is set to Windows 8 or something. So you can try different options, and maybe just in the settings reduce color mode or something like that. Just play around with these settings and it should be pretty much enough to make your game working. So simply double click on your game finally, and I hope and I wish it is working and you find this video really helpful. So if you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around the next video.